Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add digital products on Raket.ph. Now step 1 is just go to the Raket.ph website and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, just click on these three lines and just click on Racketeer dashboard. And once you click on Racketeer dashboard, so from this section, just go to this option, My Racket Chip. Just click on this one. And once you're at this page, so from this section, you can see Get to Know Me. This is the About section. So from here, just go to the Product section. And once you're inside the Product section, so you will see there are no products just yet. So just click on Add Your First Product. And just as you can see, like you have zero listing credits. I don't have any credits, but you must have credits, only 10 per cost, starting for just P50 plus 12% VAT, and get 5 listing credits as well. So just click on Buy Now and you can just buy the credits, and after that you will be add your digital products inside the record. So that is the simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.